พบนักคนเฮีย I learned that from Earth Permit. What's good, Bangkok? How you guys doing? Yeah, thank you guys for pulling up. I appreciate y'all. I come to Thailand pretty often. I think almost every year. I came last year for Rolling Loud. Did anyone come see me at Rolling Loud? Yeah! Cool. So, yeah, it's good to be back to, put on a full show, 2 hours with the J Park name, Serenades&Body Rules. Last time was Sexy Forever, 2019. Did anyone come to 2019 Sexy Forever? So a lot of new fans, right? A lot of new fans, good. Does everyone speak English or? Just only if there's someone that doesn't understand, if you could translate it in Thai. What is it called? Kun Jai Nai. Is that it? Kun Jai Nai. Is it Ngai? Kun Jai Ngai. How's my pronunciation? Kofunga. Appreciate it. Thank you, appreciate it. Anyways. Yeah, it's a sound check. Sound check. Is there any song that you want to hear? Solo? 갖고 싶어 baby 우리 부모님이 반대하셔도 생각들이 바보라고 해도 I don't care 갖고 싶어 baby 서로이길 바래 나는 얼마 전에 싱글했으니까 너를 너무 원해 제발 서로이길 바래 서로이길 바래 서로이길 바래 Baby 알고 싶어 너의 영혼이 어떤 색깔인지는 어디서 왔니 너의 몸에 My lucky baby Said it's alright 몸을 대화하며 Let's talk all night yeah. My lucky baby Said it's alright 몸을 대화하며 Let's talk all night Oh baby 난 너무 답답해 우리 서로 알아듣지 못해 baby 대화가 필요해 구글 번역기 켰을 때 그 약속 잡아 baby 한강을 걸어 내 공연처럼 내 위를 벗어 던져 내 색깔 거포토 안돼 넌 no 안돼 어머 여행을 가자고 투명한 바닷가에 난 슈퍼맨 벌써 구해줄게 네 품속에 죽을래 행복하면 웃는 채 Oh baby you the best life 우리처럼 해줘줘 나한테 누워서 생각하면 뭐든지 우린 어제 취할 때 그려는 항상 Baby 알고 싶어 너의 영혼 어떤 색깔인지는 어디서 왔니 You guys know that song? Huh? So good? Oh wow. I don't even remember how to sing that song. So good, so good. I don't even know lyrics. I haven't sang that song in like, I think 6 years. Huh? You guys know Joa? 좋아, 이 모든 것이 좋아. 머리부터 발끝까지도 조금만 행동까지 하나하나
좋아.
이 모든 것이 좋아 너와 함께라면 좋아 시간이 지날수록 더 좋아져 I lost my voice performed too many songs Does it sound okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next song. It's a very, very deep song. It's a very Pop La Kun Hi Hi type song. Let's go.
ไข่สองปลาโมดแน่เลยปลาโมดแน่เลยให้ตายปลาคนที่กิน
Yeah, the sweetest sound. Running in my heart just bounce. Your touch, I write it down. So high I can't come down. It's hopeless to notice, baby, like a siren. And you gave me faith. Oh, you're the answer of my problem solved. Life with you is so beautiful. I won't trade it away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. Whether I'm up or down, or no ground, it'll be the same way you did as yesterday. Whether I'm rich or poor, just call me yours. It'll be the same way you did as yesterday. I should sing it like that, maybe. You guys should sing it like, with me. I'd be like, I should pretend to cry. Anyways, huh? Piece of heaven? They got a piece of heaven. 구원해줘 손을 견딜 수 있도록 신이 내린 거라는 I've never performed that song live. I'm sorry. I don't remember the lyrics. This song's dedicated to you, my love. You're the only one I'm thinking of, my baby. That's for sure. You're the only one to know. In nights, many days, I pray to God, send you my way. I wish come true. I only knew one day I would have you in my arms. I love when you see me when I'm torn. Anyways, this next song is it's a song. It's a rap song. You guys like rap, hip hop?
Yes.
Okay, so I've been doing this at every city, and it's pretty fun. It's exciting. So there's a part in the song. It goes, Asian boy, put that mic down. That's what they said. Tattoo on me, your name Morte. That's what they said. Tao Palmer, back on my head. That's what they said. But me, I never gave a fuck. When I say, but me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Can you guys all do the middle finger with me? Put it up like, super hardcore. You guys do it? Let's practice one time. But me, I never gave a fuck about. One more time. There you go. You're like, me, I never gave a fuck. It's late. But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. So later on when we perform, can you do this for me? Got it. Let's go. Hey. Chill. Chill, chill. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Where the party at? Females only go where the car be at. Money the same, money all of that. I just dance for the football with Sonic. Yeah, yeah. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. hoes acting like hoes. Swear I got him by the throat. I said I got him by the throat. 난 삶을 내도 yeah they call me boss. 책 아닌다는 사실 나는 내 gossip. But they be having my nigga name out so I let her off out. Amigos be women like awesome. I follow these idols and rappers but don't really care for them like I'm this foster. 얘들아 짜서 좀 이상해 치료 좀 바꾸면 꼭지 posture. 나 단체 중인 team 감독 현역 선수 only one yes sir. 나 단체 중인 team 감독 현역 선수 only one yeah Jay Parkers. You ready? Okay. Asian boy put that mic down that's what they said. Tattoo on my 연애 못해 that's what they said. South Palm. Ready? But me I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me now, call me. Okay, that was perfect. Bandit don't know what to do. Look at me now, call me Mr. Showman Blue. Bad to the number rapper, motherfuckers don't know what to do. Ha, yeah. And we are. So stay down, so stay down. And we are. So motherfuckers stay down. The snakes. Watch out for the snakes, yeah. The snakes, they be switching, they can't get enough. No, I never been a gangster, but I get respected. 요즘 R&B의 챌린저도 절대 잊지 마. 누가 이지방, I'm a fucking woman on me. 형, 라이크 해도 한번 합시다. Like I do. I'll see you guys in a bit. Appreciate y'all. Hope black home here.